Hey guys, it's your girl Designisme and welcome to Designisme Daily, where we design our own clothes, we design our own business, and we design our own lives. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make your very own DIY face mask, military edition. And I know what you guys are going to say. Yes, there are a million other videos on YouTube showing you how to make this very same face mask. But listen, Linda, I'm gonna need you to hold up for a hot second and just listen. Let's just pretend like this is the only video you're about to watch. Alright? About 2 months ago, I posted a very similar video via my IGTV. So if you guys are not already following me on Instagram, make sure and do so after you watch this video. At design_is_me. That is DESIGN_ISME. Listen, I had a moment there. Every time I try to spell my Instagram name, I need to pause for a second because I feel like I'm gonna fuck it up. Alright, so without further ado, I must warn you. The only thing military about this video is the fact that I am using camouflage material. Now, for those of you guys who may not know, I am from Trinidad and Tobago, and in my country it is actually illegal for civilians to wear camouflage. So I figured, listen, seeing that the only people who could actually wear this mask are military officials, we're gonna just call this video the DIY face mask military edition video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here we have our custom made mask pattern. Now I do have a video that I filmed showing you guys how to draft your very own custom made pattern, so I will link the video somewhere on the screen. Right, we also have 2 layers of our lining fabric, that is scuba or neoprene, and then we have 2 layers of our top fabric, which is drill and the camouflage drill print. So we're just going to set that aside and take our pattern pieces to the machine. So the first thing we're going to do is take our top layer fabrics, place them right sides facing each other, and we're going to run a 1/2 stitch along the curved side of our pattern pieces. Make sure to snip, y'all. This is just a general rule of thumb. You always snip your curved edges so that your seams could lay nice and flat. And we're just going to repeat the same thing for the lining layers. Snip, snip, snip. Beautiful. So we're just going to take our lining layer as well as our top layer. We're going to place them right sides facing each other, lining up our curved seams together. I'm just going to put a pin to secure that, and we're going to put a pin to secure the other side as well. Great. So the first stitch that we're going to put, we're going to secure our side seams first. And of course that is a 1/2 inch seam, a 1/2 inch stitch that we're going to put there. Snip, snip, and the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to run a 1/2 inch stitch on the top of our mask from end to end. Fantastic. From one end to the other. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side, but don't forget to leave an open end so that we can turn our mask inside out. Stop. Leave a space and close it off. Fantastic. Now we are just gonna snip our corners to minimize the bulk, and it's just gonna give us very clean corners when we turn our mask inside out. We're also gonna trim down our side seam allowance. Fantastic. And then we're gonna flip inside out. Just gonna take a pin to help get those corners nice and sharp. And then we are going to run a top stitch on the top of our mask from end to end. And we're just going to do the same thing to the other side. So now we could take a minute and just examine our mask because it's coming together so beautifully. And we're just gonna turn our edges in now, folding it an inch in and putting a stitch to secure the loop. And this is exactly where our elastic is going to go through, so be sure to do the same thing on the opposite side. Because of the type of mask that we are doing, a good measurement for the elastic is between 22 or 23 inches. It's perfect for an adult size mask. We're just going to use a safety pin to thread our elastic through the loops. And because this fabric is so thick, just take your time and thread it through so the pin doesn't get lost or it doesn't open out while we're threading. So we're just going through the other side now. Take your time. Now that we have both pieces in both loops, we're just gonna secure the elastic by overlapping one on top of the other and securing it together. Be sure to backstitch numerous times so that you know for a fact the elastic ain't going nowhere. Alright, if you have a domestic machine, a regular zigzag stitch would be perfect for this. Snip. And what I like to do is I like to just feed the elastic through so that raw edge that we just stitched together is hidden in one of the loops, like so. Alright, so this is how your mask should currently be looking. Just play around with it a little bit. Feel proud of yourself. You did a fantastic job. And now let me show you guys how it looks. Be sure not to fuck up your makeup because ain't nothing cute about that. And you literally just place it right there, like so. Wait, did I have a nip slip? Shit. Okay, so the top elastic goes over your head like this, and you can place it as high as you like. It depends on how comfortable it is for you, like this. And the bottom elastic goes right on your neck. Alright, just like this. So that is basically it for my video, guys. If you all did enjoy my video, do not forget to leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.